Mercedes-Benz has just pulled the curtain back on the interior of the all-new electric C-Class, and the focus this time is on creating what they call a crafted sanctuary. Engineered around the driver to evoke a sense of welcome home, this new model aims to set a benchmark for quality and craftsmanship in its segment. Thanks to a purpose-built electric architecture and a large panoramic glass roof, the interior offers more space than ever before. The design follows a multi-sensory approach, combining flowing forms with high-end materials like soft Torino leather or the exclusive twisted diamond Napa leather design. The digital experience is centered around the MBUX hyperscreen, which stretches pillar to pillar with matrix backlight technology for incredible clarity. You can personalize the atmosphere with 10 different ambient styles that coordinate the lighting and display motifs. There's even an optional sky control roof that features 162 illuminated stars to create a striking cocooning effect. This is just the beginning for the new electric C-Class. The full world premiere will take place live on April 20th, 2026, starting at 12:30 p.m. CEST. Make sure to stay connected to the channel so you don't miss the complete reveal.